They are small, have high reproductive efficiency, and live in the forests of Madagascar. Cubs are born during the 5-month rainy season, and a fat pad is formed to help them sustain the relatively cool season when there is little food. But what if the rainy season becomes drier and the dry season warmer? Mouse lemurs can adapt to climate change due to their high reproductive output. Researchers from the German Primate Center Leibniz Primate Research Institute analyzed long-term data from Madagascar and discovered that climate change has destabilized mouse lemur populations and increased the risk of extinction. Identifying trends with long-term data. According to ScienceDaily, the effects of climate change have been primarily in large, long-lived species with low reproductive efficiency. Small mammals with high reproductive rates adapt well to changing environmental conditions, so they have received little attention in the context of climate change. German Primate Center Claudia Fichtel and Peter Kappeler of the Leibniz Primate Research Institute have been studying lemurs in Madagascar for many years and are collecting a unique dataset to help fill this knowledge gap. Peter Kappeler and Claudia Fichtel investigated the demographics of a mouse lemur population at Madagascar's DPZ research station from 1994 to 2020. Climatic data for same time period show that the rainy season is drier and dry season is hotter in this region. They analyzed the data with colleagues from the University of Zurich and discovered increased reproductive rates, as well as increased mortality rates. According to Claudia Fichtel, these opposing trends prevented the mouse lemur population from collapsing, but caused population destabilization, as the animal's already rapid life cycle accelerated. Also, Read Tuberculosis Outbreak at Madagascar Zoo's endangered species, including lemurs. The risk of extinction increases. Population fluctuations due to climate change pose an existential threat to animals and may lead to extinction. Kappeler's findings show that even an animal species, thought be easily adaptable to changing environmental conditions due to its high reproductive rate, is under threat from climate change. This is bad news because lemurs, found only in Madagascar, are the world's most endangered mammals. Claudia Fichtel believes that in future, data on the demographic stability of a population should be included when categorizing extinction risk of an animal species. Climate change threatens vital biodiversity. Increasing temperatures are having an impact on vegetation, food resources and water access, among other things. According to IFAW, some animals may be forced to migrate outside of their usual patterns in search of food and habitable conditions, while others may perish. People are already seeing a 5-fold increase in climate and weather-related natural disasters such as droughts, wildfires and hurricanes compared to 50 years ago. People, pets and wildlife suffer catastrophic losses as a result of these disasters. Climate change exacerbates human-wildlife conflict by causing habitat loss and extreme weather events, forcing humans and wildlife to share increasingly crowded areas. As ecosystems change, humans and wildlife travel further and further in search of food, water resources. Related article: Humans didn't hunt giant lemurs to complete extinction.